I want to say that I did not use abusive language, but Jasmine Shah said shut up. तो आपको बता दूं, बदतमीजी करोगे तो आपको बदतमीजी का जवाब मिलेगा मुझसे. Jasmine Shah, you are a party which has been not able to even deliver basic governance to Delhi. When 2016 dengue happened, your Kejriwal said, no Rahul, let me finish. When 2016 dengue happened, Kejriwal said, मैंने घुटने टेक दिए हैं जी, मुझसे कुछ नहीं होगा. Modi ji, please help Delhiites. When COVID second wave hit Delhi in 2020 and 21, Kejriwal said, मुझसे कुछ नहीं होगा जी. Modi ji, please Delhi की सहायता कीजिए. Wait a minute. Every year during Diwali, the AQI goes beyond 500. And what does Kejriwal say? मुझसे कुछ नहीं होगा जी. नरेंद्र मोदी, please मेरी मदद कीजिए. Now in 2023, when Delhi is reeling under floods, a shameless Kejriwal and the shameless Jasmine Shah, who's a personal assistant to Kejriwal, what did Kejriwal say? ये मेरी गलती नहीं है जी, ये तो हरियाणा के हथनी कुंड बराज की गलती है. So Jasmine Shah, you shut up and now listen to what I have to say. Let me say this to you, Rahul, that what did Congress get in 2019? They got 52 seats, 75%. 39 seats came from two states, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. But look at the tally of Congress in Kerala 2021 assembly elections. Their tally went down from 47 to 41. I'm talking of the Congress UDF partnership. As for Kejriwal, he got 2 seats in Goa. He's been contesting Goa for the longest time. He did not, make a sizable dent there. He's limited to Delhi and Punjab. Gujarat, he managed to get only 5 royal seats. Kejriwal is not an important person in the overall scheme of things when you talk of national politics. India today is giving him more relevance than he deserves. He's the proverbial Nero who was fiddling when Rome was burning. Delhi is, Delhi is reeling under floods. And this
you want to
Kejriwal
respond to that, Jasmine Shah?
comes here and gives a bhashan to the